right, so we're making a run today to deliver metal roofing to a guy at 2,300 feet elevation. We assumed the roads would be okay, and turns out there's enough snow that it's slippery on the top, and as I'm coming up this steep hill, I've jackknifed my truck. I'm gonna walk down so you can see how steep this hill is. All right, so in an attempt to get out of our snowbank we're in, we are gonna take some kindling, and since I'm short on supplies, normally I'm a Boy Scout who's prepared for everything. Today, I'm in my sneakers. I don't have a shovel, I don't have anything. But I have this load of metal roofing I'm delivering. I'm gonna take this strap off the back of it and attempt to make this kindling into a set of shingles. All right, okay, so I have the ratchet strap off of the trailer and my kindling. Fortunately, I had a jack in the back of the truck. Slipping, you can see
blocked.
it. Yeah. So we jacked up a little bit, but because we're on such a steep hill, the tires wanted to roll back off of the jack. I need to get underneath of this to put a ratchet strap under there. I'm gonna dig just a little bit of snow out of there so that my strap can go under, I hope. All right, that's not ideal, but we're gonna give it a try. Once you use the strap for this kind of purpose, it's trash. You can never use it again. A 6,000-pound truck rolls over it multiple times, and that's it. So, the strap is lined up mostly where I like it. However, it's on the edge more than I like on the bottom. I can't help it because of the slope. So we're gonna give it a try anyway. Ideally, you jack it up higher. We have set up our kindling ratchet strap setup. It's not ideal because it's not as far under here as I want. We'll see if we make it out of here. If not, we'll have to figure out another thing. All right, say a prayer and just stay out of the damn way too. You know, you're fine up there. Maybe a little farther in case some of the kindling goes flying, it doesn't hit you, right? Amigo, we good? Here we go. Oh! Need more juice. I was trying not to spin the tires. We made the attempt to get out of the ditch. We did straighten out the truck. People could get by if they wanted to. A tow truck could get by if they wanted to. However, we're not where we want to be. We're gonna give it another attempt. Same thing, if my ratchet strap isn't too badly broken on the other side, we're gonna try one more time.
Oh, the trailer's gone over the edge. Okay. I'm going to put one in behind the other tire. Under the front tires?
Yeah, remember before? This is where the weight is. See, it has no weight. I'll roll right over them. So it goes block, that one block you put it in, and you tie it, and you go to each
But then you're going to run into him with the...
I'm going to jack it up again, do the same thing I did on the other side. One under it, 20 center of front tire. Yeah. You're a dog watcher. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your help. Jump in there. Jump in there. I don't know. This ain't safe, fool. Hit the brakes you need to. Okay. No video. I'm just going to do a bunch of shit back here.
Okay.
You watch the dogs. Keep your foot on the brake. This funny thing, you're optimistic because you put the car way out there because you thought we'd get out. I'm not optimistic. That's why I was like, leave the car here because we ain't getting, So it's just funny to see. I like your optimism. Are you Sagittarius?
No, Pisces.
Man, optimistic. I love it. I mean, I wish I was that way. I'm like, it ain't gonna work out, So, good for you. We can try again. Here we go. After some adversity, we made it to the snowbank, and we're unloading the metal. I'm gonna get paid.